So what's up sa inyo, ako po si Russell John Blanco at ngayon po ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-solve ng geometric properties gamit ang distance formula. Oh, kita niyan? Sumusunod pre oh. Okay. So ngayon simulan natin paano mag-solve ng geometric properties gamit ang distance formula. So tara na! So let's start. So this is the formula. So d is equals to distance. D is equals to radical sign quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. That is the formula. And this is now the setup of the given. Quantity x sub 1 and y sub 1. Next, the quantity x sub 2 then and y sub 2. And now this is the given that was given to me by Ma'am Pitogo. So she gave me two given. Number 1, r is equals to the quantity of negative 1 and 3. Then u quantity negative 2 and negative 6. That is the first given. Then the second given, S quantity 5 negative 6 and L quantity 4 negative 5. So let's start. Negative 2 is the x sub 2 and negative 1 is the x sub 1. So let's bring them down together. So quantity negative 2 minus negative 1, like that, then squared, then plus. So next, negative 6 is y sub 2, then 3 is y sub 1. So let's bring them down together. Quantity negative 6 minus 3 squared. So that is the given. So now we can answer it. So next, quantity negative 2, then change to addition, then change the sign of 1 to positive, so it will be positive 1, then squared. Next, quantity negative 6, change the sign, change it to addition, then change the sign of 3, so it will be negative 3, then squared. So next, let's add it now. So negative 2 plus 1 is equals to 1 because they both have different signs. So squared, and next, then negative 6 plus negative 3 is equals to 9. Why? Because they both have the same sign. Let's put the quantity, then squared, yes. So next, 1 squared is equals to 1, and 9 squared is equals to 81. And let's add them together, and it's equals to negative 82. Then let's find the square root of negative 82. So now we are going to use a prime factorization. So let's start. So now let's divide 82 by 2. So let's put the 2 here. So 2 divided by 8 is equals to 4. Let's put the 8 here. Then 8 minus 8 is equals to 0. So yeah. Then let's bring down 2. So 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. Then let's bring down 2. Then 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. So The answer is 41. Let's put 41 here. And we're going to need to divide these two. So 2 divided by 41, but it cannot be. So the answer will be 2 square root of 41. And that is the answer. Okay, so now let's go on number 2. Okay. So 4 is the x sub 2 and 5 is the x sub 1. So let's break them down. So quantity 4 minus 5, then squared, then plus. So next, negative 5 is the y sub 2 and negative 6 is the y sub 1. So let's break them down. So quantity negative 5 minus negative 6, like that, then squared. So that is the given. So now we can answer it. So next, quantity 4, change it to addition, change the sign, so it's negative 5 now, then squared and plus. So next, quantity negative 5, change it to addition, positive, change the sign of negative 6 to positive 6 and squared. So now let's add them together. So 4 plus negative 5, so it different signs, so it's going to be subtracted, so it's 1 squared, so plus. Next, negative 5 plus 6, different signs, so the answer will be 1. It will be subtracted and squared. So there. So next, negative 1 squared equals to 1 plus negative 1 squared equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. And that is the answer, because it's not a prime and it has no square root. There. So ayun, ganun po mag-solve ng geometric properties gamit ang distance formula. So sana po may natutunan po kayo sa aking itinuro ngayon, at yung unang given na aking pinakita ay may prime factorization at yung pangalawa naman po ay wala. So yun lang po at maraming salamat po. Bye bye mga tropa pips!